Hello, please. Good morning. You're welcome to KC White Maths Solution Center. We have a challenge on the board here that has to do with circle geometry. Please, if you're new to this particular channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification so that you'll be seeing our videos, because we keep dropping new videos on different topics in mathematics every day, and they are actually well explained. Now we have a question on the board here. When you have a geometry question, before you start solving geometry question, the first thing that should come into your mind is that you look at the geometry question, you look at it, try to figure it out. What are the theorems that are involved in this particular question? Merely looking at this particular question, a lot of things are actually running in my brain, which are what? Just the theorem on how to get this particular problem solved. I'm going to start with the first one I've been able to picture. And the first one is something that has to do with the basic geometry we know. We have two lines. We have two lines like this. You know, in geometry, when you have two lines like this, you have a line like this and a line is like this. We say this angle is vertically opposite to this angle and this one is vertically opposite to this. So using this particular idea I have up here, I will take this idea from here, this idea I have up here, I will bring it down to this particular part of it, this particular part of the question on the board. So if you look at this angle here, looking at this line, they're intersecting at B. So it implies that this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. So what I'm going to say here now is that I'm going to state that clear, because this angle at B is x degrees. That means A is equally x degrees. So I'm going to write it out now. This is going to give me A, B, F is equal to x. My reason is that they are vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. Now this is now x from my theorem. I'll look at the next one. I'm interested in getting this angle. So that after getting this angle, I'll add this to this and add it to this and sum it to 180, as the sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180. But how do I get this angle now? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to look at this quadrilateral ABDE. Looking at the quadrilateral here, we say that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. That means this angle is equal to this angle, because this angle is the opposite interior angle to this exterior angle of this cyclic quadrilateral ABDE. So now we are going to find this angle. By the time we are able to get this angle, then this angle is equal to this angle. So follow me as I'm going to solve the question now. Looking at this triangle BCD, this angle happens to be the exterior angle of triangle BCD. So now from the theorem in mathematics of triangles, we say the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. So the exterior angle here, which is BDE, 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 which is this angle, is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle, this plus this. That will give us x plus 28 degrees. The reason is exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. So we have gotten this as x plus 28 now degrees, x plus 28 degrees. Now recall that I told you that this angle is equal to this angle, because this angle is the exterior angle of this quadrilateral. And from our theorem, we have it that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. This is called a cyclic quadrilateral because it has all its four vertices on the circumference of the circle. So if you can see it, this point A is one of the vertices, point B is another one, point E is another one, and point D is another one, and they are all touching the circumference of the circle. So now we say our angle BAF, angle BAF is equal to x plus 28 degrees. X plus 28 degrees. The reason is exterior angle of a cyclic chord. A cyclic chord. Now, if this angle here now is now x plus 28 degrees. Now, we'll now consider the triangle in general, which is in triangle AFB, 50 degrees plus x plus 28 degrees plus x is equal to 180 degrees. And we know it's our basic theorem, which is sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. In a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. So now we now collect like terms. X plus x will give me 2x. 50 plus 28 will give me 78, which is equal to 180. I'm interested in getting the value of x, so I'm going to subtract 78 from both sides. 2x is equal to 180 minus 78. So we now say 2x is equal to 102. So 2x is equal to 102, and I'm interested in getting x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So divide here by 2, and I will divide here by 2. This will cancel this. So 2 can go into 102 51 times. And that gives me the value of my x to be 51 degrees. 51 degrees. So this is how to solve a question like this. As simple as what we are seeing on the board. And this was a question, was a WAEC question in mathematics. So thank you for watching. Please endeavor to check our channel for more videos. We'll be doing more on geometry and other topics in mathematics. Thank you very much.